This is Kim Davis, and I'm sick and tired of a lot of things, but one thing I'm particularly sick and tired of today is people taking a completely ad hoc approach to the rule of law and order. If you want to be an anarchist, fine, go ahead, throw all the laws out the window, but picking and choosing. I couldn't believe the sight this morning. I saw the outside the Supreme Court in the Strand in London. A lot of people there supporting Julian Assange of WikiLeaks, with signs saying things like "Free Assange, no extradition." Well, why exactly? I mean, maybe you think WikiLeaks is a great idea, maybe you admire what he's done, maybe you're all for WikiLeaks and Julian Assange's politics and his projects and all the rest of it, but he faces criminal charges in Sweden. And Sweden has good diplomatic relationships with the UK and other European countries, and extraditing people to face criminal charges is usually a completely routine matter. It was delayed in this case because Assange's lawyers were appealing a very obscure point of European law, which was whether the office issuing the extradition notice from Sweden, the prosecutor's office, counted as a judicial authority or whether it had to come from a judge. The Supreme Court said it's fine, he can be extradited. They've imposed a stay of execution, giving him the chance to appeal to the European Court of Human Rights, and good luck with that. Just imagine if this was Dominique Strauss-Kahn, the banking guy who was held in New York on charges of sexual assault. He actually waived his right to extradition, but I bet if he was resisting extradition from France to the United States, he wouldn't be getting quite as much sympathy as Assange. But of course, this is all really smoke and mirrors disguising the real issue, which is when will Assange be extradited to face espionage charges in the United States. The problem for him with this sexual assault case in Sweden is that it's preventing him from going off and seeking refuge somewhere where the United States would have difficulty extraditing him. I was looking at some possibilities for him. He could go to Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Bosnia, or the Bantu homelands. And I think there are one or two other places. I don't know where he wants to go. He doesn't want to be where he is now. But really, people, the law's the law. And Julian Assange, sooner or later, is going to have to face his day of reckoning, whether he be innocent or guilty.